Okay, this one is heart one.
Yeah.
Heart wall.
Heart, no?
Yes, the heart wall.
Heart failure, heart attack.
valve damage होने से ये valve डलता है.
ऐसे बोलते हैं हार्ट में छल्ले डले हुए हैं.
Yeah. This is the first heart valve developed in India. So it's from our institute. Now around 1.25 lakh implantations done.
1.2
So
lakh.
before the development of this, the cost of heart valve was very high. We are importing the heart valve from abroad.
Now cost
this
is
is an
low.
indigenous Indian development heart valve.
Yes. Nice.
These are the stents. Sometimes different types of stents are there. Stent. You know,
Aortic stent. Yeah. Yes.
This stent is for the brain. Okay, this is for aorta and the not a coronary stents. Bypass. Have you heard about the bypass? Sometimes someone will tell you, I had put a stent in my.
Yes.
Bypass
This
surgery.
is the one.
A blank?
Actually, we can
Yes,
compress
sir.
this thing like a needle.
Means it is transparent option.
It's not transparent. It is made of metal.
Wow.
Not the glass actually inside.
Yes, sir. Inside the glass, it is visible.
Like spring, like step.
Yeah,
Spring-like
exactly. So this can be compressed like a needle, and then it will be linked to the place where that clot is there.
Yes.
Then it will be enlarged.
Enlarged.
So the blood flow will be smooth. These are wound healing material. Sometimes bleeding is there. So we used to.
No one does
Dress. And this one is
This is the hemoconcentrator.
means
How will it work?
Blood for RTC concentrating, because whenever we are collecting blood from some patient, that whole blood is not given to one patient. It will be separated.
Sir,
process?
it is a real blood.
It's a real blood.
Oh my God.
This is actually this is the blood bank which is developed from our institute, and then we transfer this technology to company. Now, this is the first blood bank actually in India. We developed the first blood bank. So in some quiz competition also they will ask actually where.
What is this, sir? Sir, what's that?
This is actually a device for putting in the uterus.